Businesses create jobs, and there's no better social policy as to having a good job.
There's a big gap between Latin America and US for sure, but also with the developed markets overall. The reality is that the gap exists and is growing. So I think there is an urgency from us as leaders to really work constructively with people like Harvard and other places as well, just to make sure that we can address these issues. At the very minimum, to understand them and then have an action plan.
You have poor neighborhoods and really rich neighborhoods, and there's these like roads that divide them and that become walls. And our job is like, how can we really knit these parts and make it not only more equally in terms of economic, but more equally in terms of how you live the city.
Education gives you obviously knowledge, it gives you power, and it gives you freedom. And education is not for the rich people.
We design a structure where if you're part of a store, you can become a coordinator of a bunch of stores. And then you could be a supervisor of different cells of stores. And then you could be an executive of all these stores. When we started with this, we realized that many of them needed way more than only professional training. That personally, they needed some help. We complement what we do professionally with a support program. And what we found with this is that a great balance, because once you have a person that's whole, that's sort of happy with who they are and what they're doing in life, they're gonna do way better professionally as well.
We have three main metrics. One is the reduction of poverty. Second, going from informality to formality. We want to have more into the formal job business. Some people are under the formal market, which is like they pay taxes, they are in a payroll, you have a contract signed, you have social security, and then you have an informal sector, which is more than half of the country, where you don't have all the protection that you should have as a worker. So a measure for us is how do we make formality easier? And the third is FDI, so foreign direct investment. But we don't only want foreign direct investment. It's not only about quantity, but about quality. So we want to have investments that have innovation, great value added, transference of knowledge that are sustainable.
There's nothing more profitable than having engagement in the company. You need to find ways for your employees to want the same things as the owners of the company. Ideally, it would be one of the same.
Now, more than ever, is the time to help mobility through reskilling and upskilling,